Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical truck salt spreader, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Truck Salt Spreader, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best truck salt spreaders from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Buyers Products UTVS 16 UTV Broadcast Salt Spreader. Looking for a reliable salt spreader for your UTV? The Buyers Products UTV S16 UTV Broadcast Salt Spreader is perfect for year-round landscaping and farming. With a 33-inch size and made from durable polyethylene and polyurethane, this black spreader is designed for ATV and UTV vehicles. It easily attaches to a 2-inch receiver hitch and has a 15-gallon rust-proof polyhopper, allowing you to spread materials like salt, fertilizer, seed, and feed up to 30 feet. This spreader offers efficiency and control, featuring an adjustable shutoff gate for precise material dispersal and a sealed 12-volt motor for durability. The poly lid keeps materials safe from the elements, while the included 8.5-foot wiring harness adds versatility. Ideal for landscaping, groundskeeping, and agricultural tasks, the UTVS16 combines functionality and durability for all-season use. Transform your UTV into a powerful tool with this all-purpose spreader. Number 2. MSNOR SpinTech Hitch-Mount Seed Salt and Fertilizer Multi-Spreader. Transform your ATV, UTV, or truck into a versatile spreader with the MSNOR SpinTech Hitch-Mount Seed, Salt, and Fertilizer Multi-Spreader. Designed with a durable polypropylene hopper, this spreader resists corrosion, making it perfect for fertilizer and more. It mounts easily to a 2-inch receiver hitch and operates with a convenient 25-foot cord that connects to your vehicle's accessory outlet, providing reliable power. The built-in toggle switch allows easy control right from your vehicle. The MSNOR spreader is built for precise application with an adjustable feed or seed flow system that accommodates both small and large seeds or granules. The SpinTech patented on-demand open/closed shutoff feature prevents material leakage when the motor is off, ensuring minimal waste and maximum efficiency. Whether for landscaping, farming, or winter road prep, this multi-spreader is a robust, easy-to-use tool for all your spreading needs. Number 3. Boss Buck 80 lb Capacity Feed Fertilizer Seed and Salt Spreader. The Boss Buck 80 lb Capacity Feed, Fertilizer, Seed, and Salt Spreader is the perfect addition for anyone looking to efficiently cover large areas on their ATV. With an 80-pound capacity, this spreader is spacious enough to handle feed, fertilizer, salt, and seed, making it highly versatile for various farming, gardening, and road maintenance needs. Its adjustable nozzle provides flexibility, allowing you to spread both large materials, like corn, and small seeds without needing additional equipment. Built with durability in mind, the Boss Buck spreader includes a slide valve at the hopper's front for easy control over material flow, ensuring precise spreading every time. This ATV broadcast spreader is designed to withstand tough weather and road conditions, promising long-term reliability. Whether you're looking to spread seed across a field or salt over icy surfaces, the Boss Buck 80 lb spreader offers efficiency and durability to meet your needs. Number 4. FIMCO 530-184 ATV Dry Material Spreader for distribution and broadcast. The FIMCO 530-1845 ATV Dry Material Spreader is a powerful tool for efficient distribution and broadcast of materials like seed, fertilizer, and salt. With a generous 145-pound capacity, this spreader features a compact molded polymer hopper equipped with an adjustable slide gate. It offers precise control over material flow, allowing you to manage usage effectively. The FIMCO spreader stands out with a stainless steel 6-blade radial fan that's spot-welded to ensure even, precise distribution over a customizable range of 5 to 45 feet. This flexibility, combined with the variable speed controller, enables you to tailor spreading width to fit various tasks. Designed with resilience in mind, the spreader includes a water-resistant rain cover that protects materials from moisture, preventing clumping and ensuring smooth application in any weather. Perfect for agricultural, landscaping, or winter maintenance needs, the FIMCO 5301845 is a reliable choice for ATV spreading tasks. Number 5. Buyers Products ATVS 15A ATV All-Purpose Broadcast Spreader. Transform your ATV into a powerful all-purpose spreader with the Buyers Products ATVS 15A ATV All-Purpose Broadcast Spreader. Perfect for landscaping, farming, or hunting, this versatile tool is built to handle a range of materials with ease. The 15-gallon rust-proof polyethylene hopper ensures durability, even in challenging conditions, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Designed for efficiency, the ATVS 15A covers up to a 30-foot spread width, allowing you to tackle large areas quickly without multiple passes. With an adjustable shutoff gate, you have complete control over material dispersion, reducing waste and ensuring precise application. This spreader also features a sealed 12-volt motor and accessible controls, enabling easy operation right from your ATV seat. The polylid protects materials from weather, making it ideal for all-terrain and all-weather use. Upgrade your ATV with the Buyers Products ATVS 15A and make every landscaping or farming job simpler and faster. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.